Hello guys, today we are going to open my Safari LTD USA Super Tube. I have a lot. Okay, so now we are going to see the Alamo. Now's the Liberty Bell. Now's the Statue of Liberty. Now's the White House. Now's the Hoover Dam. This one is called the Empire State Building. This one is the United States of America flag. This is the Gateway Arch. This is the U.S. Capitol. This is the eagle, the bald eagle. This one is the Lincoln Memorial, and the last one is the Mount Rushmore. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.